Hello friends, I am Dr. Rikin Hasnani, consultant pulmonologist at Uday Omni Hospital, Chapel Road. Today, on the occasion of World Tuberculosis Day, we will be discussing about tuberculosis. Tuberculosis is an infectious disease known to mankind since ancient times. The decays of tuberculous bacteria has been seen in mummies dating back to 3000 BC. So tuberculosis is a lung infection. In 90% of the cases, it is a lung infection which is caused by Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Symptoms of tuberculosis are cough, which lasts for usually more than 2 weeks, fever, which is more in the evening hours, and coughing up of blood. These are the most common symptoms. However, you may have other symptoms like loss of weight and loss of appetite. Tuberculosis is very common disease. Number of cases of tuberculosis is 1 crore cases throughout the world, and it is around 24 to 27 lakhs 24 to 27 lakh cases per year in India. India accounts for at least some 25 to 27% of the cases worldwide. So it is very common disease, and presently it is notifiable disease. That means in any case we have to notify to the government of India, and we along with private hospitals and private doctors along with government of India are trying to end tuberculosis in India through Stop TB strategy, which is effective since 2005. Tuberculosis is usually diagnosed based on imaging findings and sputum examination. If we suspect tuberculosis in any patient, we advise for sputum examination where we look for acid-fast bacilli, and we also advise for a chest X-ray or CT scan depending on patient. Tuberculosis is usually spread from one person to another person when a person with active tuberculosis coughs or sneezes. When a patient with tuberculosis coughs or sneezes, these bacilli, this bacteria, travels through air, through droplets from one person to a normal person, where when he inhales, this bacteria goes to the lungs and start the disease in another person. A person with active tuberculosis, if not detected and treated, can spread this infection to 10 to 15 other persons. So it is highly infectious disease. Tuberculosis, if not detected on time and not treated, it is life threatening. The number of deaths due to tuberculosis were 74,000 in 2019 WHO report in India. So it is life threatening, but if not diagnosed and treated on time. You should see a doctor if you have cough which is not getting relieved for more than 2 weeks. If there is a symptom of coughing up of blood, then immediately that warrants a consultation with a physician or a pulmonologist. Tuberculosis is being treated with antibiotics. There are 4 drugs which we give in normal case of tuberculosis, which is not drug resistant. The treatment usually lasts for 6 to 9 months in most of the cases. There is a vaccine available which is BCG. It is already being given to all the newborn. It is included in our universal immunization program. So to prevent tuberculosis disease, it is advisable to take this vaccine at birth, and to prevent this disease, we should always, if anyone is having active tuberculosis, he should always wear a mask, and that will prevent the spread of the disease. Word of caution, I would say anyone having cough with sputum or anyone coughing blood, we should not be afraid of the disease. You should approach the doctor early, because early diagnosis and early treatment is the key for the disease. It will help you in early recovery, and it will also help your relatives, your near and dear, from them contracting the disease. Together we can stop TB.